Do you know anything about the 2024 Husqvarna TC85? I can't find it on their site. Yeah, I know it's going to be the same as the 2023. You can't find it on their site because they haven't announced the 2024 mini bikes yet, at least that I've seen or that I know of. And I've heard rumors that the 50 and the 65 are all new machines, but the 85 is, as far as I'm aware, KTM, Husky, GasGas. The 85 models are going to be the same as 2023, which is the same as 2022, which is pretty much the same as 2021. So I would expect an 85 update maybe next year. And also rumors of the SX E6 and E8 coming next year as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if the 2024 Husky TC85 even looks exactly the same as the 2023. But you should be seeing this announcement really soon.